We will gonna read the communique, joint communique between the Federal Republic of Somalia and the United Republic of Tanzania, Mogadishu, Somalia, 19th December 2024. At the invitation of the government of the Federal Republic of Somalia, a high-level ministerial delegation from the United Republic of Tanzania participated in the signing ceremony of the cooperation agreement and the memorandum of understanding between the Federal Republic of Somalia and the United Republic of Tanzania in Mogadishu, Somalia, 18th December 2024. The delegation from the United Republic of Tanzania was led by His Excellency Ambassador Mahmoud Thabit Kombo, Minister of Foreign Affairs and East African Cooperation of the United Republic of Tanzania. On the other hand, Honorable Ambassador Ahmed Moallim Fiqi Ahmed, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of the Federal Republic of Somalia, led the Somali delegation. Both delegations recognized a deep historical ties and a strong friendship that has long existed between the United Republic of Tanzania and the Federal Republic of Somalia. They commended Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, and His Excellency Dr. Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, for their exemplary leadership and guidance. Further, the delegations commended the excellent bilateral ties existing between the two countries, emphasizing on the need to further strengthen and deepen bilateral cooperation for mutual benefits. The two delegations exchanged views on regional and continental developments and further stressed on the significance of promoting and enhancing collaboration and cooperation between Tanzania and Somalia at the regional and international, especially within the framework of the East African Community, the African Union, and the United Nations. Both delegations expressed their shared commitment to enhance the General Cooperation Agreement in order to consolidate bilateral relations and achieve durable economic development of the two countries. The General Cooperation Agreement will further intensify and enhance cooperation between various sectors of development. In addition, the government of the Federal Republic of Somalia and United Republic of Tanzania agreed to cooperate on defense, health, tourism, and air surface relations and facilitate the movement of people, goods, and services between the two nations. And on the area of health, both nations expressed the intention to collaborate in exchanging technical expertise in health service, sale and purchase of health commodities, capacity building, and medical tourism.
Both delegations shared experiences on developing tourism, emphasizing the preservation and conservation of cultural attractions and heritage sites, as well as the exchange of expertise between government officials. Both delegations agreed to promote tourism and organize tourism management training programs. Further, the delegations discussed the need to review existing bilateral air service agreement, BASA, to strengthen air transport cooperation between the two nations. Both parties acknowledged the importance of expediting the process of reviewing and signing the agreement. The reviewed BASA should reflect, among other things, the shared commitment to commence direct flights, thereby enhancing connectivity and facilitating the ease of movement of people, goods, and services across both nations and beyond. The initiative is expected to promote bilateral trade, boost tourism, and foster closer economic ties, underscoring the mutual benefits of improved air services between Somalia and Tanzania. The two countries also addressed security cooperation, focusing on the commitment to jointly combat transnational organized crimes. Both sides agreed to exchange relevant training experiences for their respective agencies to enhance border security and strengthen capacity building initiatives for law enforcement personnel. Additionally, both delegations reaffirmed their commitment to further strengthen cooperation through the establishment of the Joint Ministerial Cooperation Commission, JMCC, that will deepen cooperation in areas such as higher education, blue economy, and the development of Kiswahili and culture. To fully enjoy the benefits of East African Common Market and the African Free Continental Trade Area, the delegations agreed to prepare a joint business and investment forum. Both delegations expressed satisfaction with the productive discussions and agreements made, emphasizing the importance of implementing the outcome of the benefits of both people of Somalia and Tanzania. Both delegations agreed on the need to establish follow-up mechanism to ensure the implementation of signed agreements, and emphasized on the importance of conducting a regular communication and coordination to explore new areas of cooperation for mutual benefits. As the meeting concluded, the United Republic of Tanzania delegation expressed their heartfelt appreciation to the government and the people of Somalia for the warm hospitality and excellent arrangements made for the success of the meetings. Issued in Mogadishu on this 19th day of December 2024.